Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Welcome in. My name's Carbs, and you are watching me do nothing right now. We're going to be working on the Gatcha logic again, or the collection logic again. We're going to be trying to get a base build, like a base layer for this plugin to work. Man, the music is so loud for me right now. Oh, look, we finally got something. These can go here. All right. We're gonna put some farms down first. We got some berries over here. So we might eventually start having berry bushes. I did some collection last time, and that's about it for this game. I forgot that I got that small. Okay. With that being said, what we are doing today is we are working on the Gatcha logic. We have over on the left a README file with a bunch of to-dos. I did some research into NFTs and the rarities because NFTs are very close to a collectible game. Actually, they basically are a collectible game. So, did some research into that, copied it, pasted it there for right now. But what I want to focus on is getting something built so I can see how it will work. Which, if I remember correctly, there's a lot of issues right now. So what I want to do is something like that. We do something like that. We start going through everything else. We just see what's broken. I don't think anything else should be broken. Alright, we have one effect. We register the game. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry. Oh yeah, let's redeem our daily Gashupan. We got bubbles. I think I've already gotten that one. And I think I want to change how much they cost. I feel like 220 is a good amount for them. So yeah. Alright. What are we doing? This is actually like verify store and verify machine. It's a type list of machine. We're missing something. Oh, jeez. Fudge. Something is causing my allergies or something to be high today. Alright, so we haven't created... Oh wait, we do have a store name. We'll call this machine. Alright, so a machine default. Let's start working on this real quick. We're gonna have a name. Let's look for some machine names. We'll just call it something basic like gosh, but plus it really doesn't need a description. This is more for the user or for the person creating it. We're gonna make this it's a false basically. This is a null. This can technically be null. That just means that there are no items set up in that collection. Collection, we'll call this Utopia. And we'll call this U. Oh, I just realized this is probably more like name. We'll work on the defaults for like the file paths and stuff, or for it to handle that type of thing. This, I don't know what it's yelling about. Machine, we have ball there. Collection, maybe? Yeah, I think that's what it was. And honestly, this should probably be null too, because there's nothing there for it to set up or create. Oh, it's npm run build dev. I almost had it the other way around. I'm still waking up. Don't yell at me. Oh, look at that. All sorts of things broken. We don't have store upgrades. We don't have that. We're not gonna have this. We're not even gonna have a world cycle. So like, I don't know what to really do here. Can't resolve collectible pool. From where? From collectible reward. Mine. That's at the same level, so what it would be dot slash dot collectible pool. Huh. Okay, so we're down to this, which isn't a good thing. So inside of the effect, we're utilizing string or something. Why can't it resolve this? We technically don't need this. Okay, so that one's taken care of. However, why is... No, I feel like that should work. No reason why that shouldn't work. But it's gonna yell at us saying that it can't work. Okay. What we're gonna do instead is do this. For the time being. And see if that works. Okay. My nose is still stuffed. I have no clue what's going on. Settings. Scripts. Startup scripts. Oh, have I still not done that on the register game? What is it? No, it should be fixed. Okay, well, we'll worry about that. Come here. Game. Vending pool game test. Okay, so that worked. Current effect. Pull collectible reward, and then nothing happens in the firebot. So we're gonna be reading some dev stuff. What happened? All right, reference. A waiter. Well, there's no machines. That's one, and then there's no items either. So we do need to work on the settings and whatnot. So hold on. Also, I don't think these are getting set up on creation. Nothing got created in here. Okay. So that's one thing. We need to make sure that the databases get initialized. Which I thought they technically did. And then I thought this created it if it wasn't there. What's going on? Path exists. This ensures that it does, otherwise it's blank. Alright, so what if we created all of these? Items machine collection .dbs So I'm assuming they need to go into the scripts folder. We do folder here, we do DBS, go into here, we say items. Oh, these should be files. Machines, groups, collections. All right, so that's done. The store settings. Click here. Oh, well, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, it's this that does the, yeah. New channel word. This is collection game test. Collection game test. You will not get these points back. A waiter could not await. What? Mm-hmm. $54. Could it not await this? I thought you were allowed to await things. A waiter is not defined. Fudge. So basically, the cancel button doesn't do anything. Let's try that real quick. Then we come back here, scripts. We refresh this. So that's the on trigger. It's this. It's the machine stuff. So if that's the case, I need to look at some reference because I believe there was a workaround to this, or not a workaround, but just a scope of things. This is the integration in this, but it's not an integration, it's a game. So I wonder if I still need that. Alright, if I go into effects, this is all the effects. Do they have anything that's a wait? Hi Deathy, how's it going? Welcome in. I don't think they ever await anything. Oh, no, here. That's in the trigger. I wonder if the controller can't have an await on it. Day is good. We are going through currently. Currently going through the integration I was referencing to see if you can have an asynchronous controller. But I don't think so. Which means I need to figure out a better way, or the proper way. The proper way to get these things. So we have this DB service which gets used, and then, you know, it's there, it's here. This player is then used. This is used in the player, and then the player is initialized. This is initialized. This is an on trigger though. But anything for getting the parameter, I don't think Yeah. Uh, I'm starting to understand this a little bit more each time. And what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do is create a variable with the machines in it. Maybe? Uh, I don't think this matters, but all right, I'm gonna take a quick break. Gotta get them ready to get going here shortly. So once I test this, most likely fail. Yep. All right. I'll be right back. We'll take a quick break, you know. And I hope you guys will be there when I get back. Wait, have I been muted this whole time? Oh, that's great. Anyways, I'll be back. Oh, I planned on it. We were just getting them ready to go because they needed to get going. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with this. Well, like I know the generalized thing that's happening. I just now have to figure out how they handle said generalized thing. Oh, look at that. Spam. So sad. All right. This creates a new Spotify service, which then initializes the modules. Effect. Do I still need to do this? It seems to be handling that perfectly fine. That's the Spotify stuff. So I guess what I want to do is check the queue this is all the events. So basically what's happening here is it's saying on this event, do this. I guess the thing I'm trying to figure out is if I want to call something to have data before the effect. How do I do? We're gonna look at another integration bot. Scripts. This is the changing states. Oh, that's the test. Hold on. Whoops. So basically, this is change modes. Pick from list, name, and random. Okay. I think I kind of understand what might have to happen for this. So like if we were to look at this, what I'm going to show you is that up here where they're assigning this states. So that this goes to the scope states right here, which is being looped through up here in this code. So the way that they're doing this is they're using the backend communicator to hit this event point. And in the events they have these, which is state changed. But they obviously, right here, this communicator is what's being used. And then that. So I'm curious. So this gets states. Alright, so I want to try this then. I want to try doing it this way. So Could I do it this way? Or do I have to fire the events? That's what I'm curious about. What happens if I just do that? We do that. We just let this run. And then maybe it'll work. Just... I doubt it, but you know. You never know. Show you guys what I'm doing here. And it yelled at me somewhere. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Alright, so this can't be this. I feel like I should be able to pass this through. And maybe do... this. Hold on. Okay. Interesting. So why not just do it their way for the beginning and then play around to see if I can get it. Fine, we'll do that. All right. So if we look at this, this is UI select, UI. On select, we're gonna do select machine, and then this would be machine.id, right? Or am I passing? I need to pass the whole machine, not just the ID. UI select choice repeat state in states filter select search. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Really, all we need is this on trigger one. I can make the other ones work with what we need. So we're going to do this. We're going to copy this because I'm curious on how this would work. All right. That's fine there, and then all right. Yes. So what I want to do is turn this into machine. We do that. On trigger, we'll take hours. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this is that set state. I am curious. Okay. Is it because I have to hold the state somewhere? Is that what this is all about? So we're currently just trying to look at the state. So change mode, if this is list. Okay. So now I'm understanding this a little bit better. Okay. So the only thing that we care about here is probably going to be this. This is going to affect machine. We don't care about this. So we do that. We don't care about that. If states not null, no, we don't care about that. We want this to be machines or selected. Okay. We'll say machine. This will be machine. This will be select state. We'll leave it as that. Select machine. Dot dot dot. Machine dot name will work. You know, we'll call this selected. That works. I don't want any cross possibilities here. So this is change mode. We don't care. We don't care about those two there. This is going to be machines. Change mode is no. We don't care about that. Select state. Effects, machine. This is going to be machine. Fire event async. All right. So this is the thing. We want to search for here. But we know that's BS. This is state change. There's a communicator. And this is... We're gonna learn this stuff until it makes sense. Alright, then this is going to be machine. Machine database. This is going to be good. Rip. Why can't I remember the name of it? Get all machines. Derp. But it's really this. Alright. How? This is the callback. want to try something real quick. So if I take this, which I'm not even sure that really needs to be inside of there. So my question is why was it working? Why is this working? What am I missing? Like, what's the... Is it what it's returning? This is so different for me. So we're returning this call, which I don't even know that we have. Something tells me that this has to do with stringify something or another. Call... Is this coming from events? Maybe it is. It's the stringify payload thing. And this is for WebSocket. I gotcha. So they're using the WebSocket and it sets states inside the WebSocket. That's what this message is. This message is all the states that are basically available. You set the state there, but you get initial list there. However, this doesn't fully help me understand why. So like, yeah, this works, but so this, no, it's async here as well, right? Get state, get states, async function. Boom, it works. All right. So then why? That's it. That's all it was. Now I'm curious if MDBS dot get all machines. That's all it was. Okay. All right. We're gonna take this. We're gonna say this is a VG get all machines. All right. So inside of here, we need to say that we fire this event. Get all of that event right there. Then what this does is gives us states. We don't have a selected right now. No, this is gonna be machine. If it throws an error because they're the same name, we'll fix it. But all right, select a machine, search. We will go through and create the JSON file in a second. Yeah, I didn't think all of that was going to work. All right, so starting with the first error. What is it? I don't know why it can't. Select machine type. Oh. take this. We're gonna Control Z a lot. Select machine pool effect type. Oh, that's all caps. Select machine pool effect type. Do that real quick and see if that fixes anything. All right, down to 2 errors. All right. Now the real question is why is this failing? Oh, I think I had to do this last time. Look, if we get a drop down in the settings, I will be excited about that. And I just realized you guys can't see crap. There's so much stuff on the screen right now. Thanks for letting me know. All right, well, we're gonna go delete that. We're gonna pull up the dev tools somewhere. You know what? Maybe we should dock this underneath. Yeah. We come here, we do that. Refreshes. New channel reward. We just care about the effect right now. And there's nothing. Oh, you know what I never did? We never initialized the communicator, which I need to figure out how to do. One, we should add this to our main because everything keeps telling me that I basically should. Oh wait, we're already registering. We're registering the. These two right here. that, which is fine. Oh, this is where you import the whole package. Okay, that makes sense. However, do that. What am I trying to do here? We're just trying to get... Okay. So one effects, we need to do index.ts, which is going to house a giant export. So something to this effect that we'll take from this, and we'll say collectible reward, which is pull, select machine pull type. Select machine pull type. This should be all vendor game effects. We save that there. All vendor games effects. We do that there. Now this modules thing. Is this just run request? Is that what I'm missing here? No. Oh. They split it out. Derp. Makes sense. Makes sense to do that. Oh, I see. So we can do a front end communicator, and that's already done. So then we can do this and this. That's done. We are calling this vendor game, which is weird. I would think that this would have done this already. This should also be my constants. These need to get broken out. We're gonna move these for the time being. This can also have the version values dot version. 0.0.3. Actually, no, we were doing this as 1. All right. So with that being said, we save that. Dot name. Dot description. Game info dot author. We'll get to that. Game info dot version. Game info dot fire version. We then go back to constants and we add those things. Fire version dot values dot game fire version game Why is this failing all of a sudden? Okay, that apparently can't be a value like that. So we're going to remove that from here. Okay. So we cancel, we delete. We come down here. We refresh. Channel words new. And then we reopen Firebot to see if that fixes the thing. I love when it just tells me error. It doesn't even tell me why it's an error, it just says error. Error while running script. I wonder if it's here. Yeah, it's somewhere after this. So it's somewhere before that. Register commands. We have no commands. All right. Something tells me that I'm going to have to restart every time. All right, so it wasn't that. So it gets into here. We go to register game. We await onload. We await verify store. We don't get to any of this. What if I just not verify store? Like that could technically. There we go. That changed. We don't have the settings, so verify store is necessary. However, I don't think I can. Can I put this here? Do we need the register commands? Is that more important than I think? It's not even getting to here now. Just back and forth, back and forth. All right. Okay, so it's on registering the front end. So the real reason, we now must figure out why. Is it this? Interesting. So there's like a Firebot helper thing that people have created. We're not going to use that. We're going to do this for right now. But I do wonder if that's causing the issue. But what's happening here is this is not... working. So my question, could I do logger or log here? And then do log dot. I'm currently getting yelled at by my cat. Just meowing away. And then on async, I didn't know this was a thing. What's this? This might be from, like, you have to be been around for a while, you know? Oh, my eye is just... why am I getting meowed at? I feel like they're just trying to guilt trip me. I've already fed them. Okay, so... what does this do? Set Firebot. I'm curious. Is this just something I need? No. It does seem like something that helps, but not something that is needed. But maybe I do need it. Because, I mean, they are setting up globals here. Okay, so the Firebot helper is still being used. Or at least is still being published. Yeah, it's just the license, okay. I'm just curious, like, what this does. So if we go into string, we go to index, error message. Is this really it? Or is there more? I feel like there's more. There has to be more. Manage two-factor. We'll get on that in a second. So how is it? Hold on. Wait, what? Dev, maybe? Types, it's scripts, and lib. Did I just, like, miss it? Main. No, it's just lib. So they're just building off a dev. Okay. Yeah, because, I mean, that, to me, that's what would have to be happening. But there's scripts, which is just copy, types, which is the Firebot, and then lib, which is database also. Okay, so there's a lot more happening in here now than just the basics. I'm fine with adding this. I was just more curious about, like, what the heck it was doing, you know? Alright, init modules, run request.modules, and then init parameters, init init remote. Oh wait, this is not their stuff. Init remote is that. Init module, however, is that. Okay. Alright, so I think we're good then. Maybe. We do this. We'll check the farm out in just a second. Oh, whoops. We do that. All right. Then we delete. We add new script. We do this. We do that. It's still failing while registering the front end. However, this is still working. Okay. It's failing on the script, on the effects, maybe? I don't think that should happen. I do want to call this. This is the game definition, the Firebot TS. Now we're just, hi Tempest, how's it going? Welcome in. We're just trying to figure out this last little bit. so it fails after all of this. Why is it failing though? Oh, fudge. This is always good when you can't figure out what's causing the issue. Is it something in the game settings? Okay, so with the effect, I do need to change this. This should be debug plus select get item from machine. How's it going, Tempest? Oh, does this need to be back tick or whatever? That. We do that. We do this. Please work. is this not working? For whatever reason, it does not want to run. All I'm trying to do is get it to work slightly. All right, we're gonna have to call it there. I honestly, I don't know what could be the issue. Everything I'm reading, it's kind of weird. Because, like, it registered the effect. I am curious. Can we still get to it? It's working. It's working. That's still better than nothing. We'll have to figure out the other stuff. But it's working. Now, however, I am curious if it's... If we add a machine, does it show up? I don't know what's going on there. Alright, and then we're just gonna drop these in here. We're just gonna make all of these null. All right. So, that being said, if I delete this, I click here, I go to fun, go here, select. Nothing. Oh, so close. Oh, there might be an issue. Let's try reloading. Maybe that just needs to happen. We're getting there. I know you guys can't see it. We're getting there. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. It could not be working because it can't do... Oh, the front end. The front end's not working, so... And I don't have a... One more time. And this will be the last time until next time. Okay. I don't... Okay. We shall work on it next time. All right, I'm gonna go, guys. See you guys on Wednesday.